What's up, everyone? Welcome back to a brand new video here at Cuspide Insurance. My name is Carlos. I'm a licensed agent, and today we are going to be talking about the top 5 best health insurance companies in the state of Florida. Which are they? Which one should you go with? Let's get into it. Let's go. All right, so first things first, this article is over here at Cuspide Insurance. It's our article, top 5 best health insurance companies in Florida for 2024. Check it out in the link in the description or the top comment. It's a must read. I'm only going to go into the top 5, but this article is very in-depth, so check it out. So let's dive into it. Here are the list of the current Florida health insurance companies. Now, it's possible that some of these on the top 5 are not going to be in your area, or they're not going to be suited for you, because the health insurance companies are based on age, household income, where you live, so what county you're in. So it's, while all of these are in Florida, some of these companies may not be in your county. So you have to check locally which one is in your county and which one is not by getting a quote, which, by the way, you can get at 305-970-8583, totally no cost to you. So let's continue. Here are the list of all of them. I think they're around 10 or 11, but the best ones in the Florida marketplace goes to Florida Blue, Aetna, Oscar, and Better Health, and United Healthcare. So these are the rating. You can pause and check it out, the ratings that we gave them. This is based on a lot like price, affordability, accessibility, you know, which one is in the most counties, which one is not. So these are, you're looking at, in my opinion, the best. So number 1, we have Florida Blue. It's not even close. I think Florida Blue is the best in the state of Florida. Also, Blue Cross Blue Shield in general is just very good. So one thing that sets them apart completely is that they offer the 4 types of plans, which no other company does. So they have HMO, EPO, PPO plans, and POS plans. HMO and EPO being the most popular, but the other 2 are very good as well. And they do have an AM Best rating of A+. They have the largest provider network, variety plans, and affordability. And the pros and cons, again, you can pause and read it here, but we're gonna go continue because there's a lot to talk about here. So number 2, we have Aetna with a 4.2 star rating and an AM rating of A, as well as the only downside is that they only offer HMO plans. If you compare this to Florida Blue, it's like a day and night difference, because with an HMO plans, you're gonna need referrals. You can only get network, you can only get care in your network. You can't go out of network. So that's a huge difference already from the first to the second place. But one cool thing about Aetna is that you can have same day appointments with through their CVS clinics, because it's called Aetna CVS Health. CVS bought Aetna. So they have sort of partnership going. So same day appointments, many wellness programs, and cash rewards. They do have great cash rewards. So you do things like preventive screenings, blood work, stuff like that. You will be able to get cash rewards, pretty much cash prizes. And they have telemedicine services, which a lot of other companies have them too. However, their cons is that their plans can usually be costly. So that's one thing to look out for. Again, it all depends on your income anyway, so that's kind of a general thing. Number 3 is the most popular. The biggest is United Healthcare with an AM Best rating of A+. They do have the plans with the highest qualities. However, they only offer HMO plans, which is kind of a bummer for being the biggest, but whatever, you know, they have a large provider network, so your HMO network experience is going to be great because they pretty much have doctors everywhere, so that's not a problem. They do have the strongest financials, have telemedicine services, and they are the largest provider network. It's almost tied with Blue Cross Blue Shield. They're just massive. However, their silver plans are some of the most expensive, and they of course have no EPO or PPO plans. So if United Healthcare happens to be in your area and they happen to be like the cheapest or most affordable options, low co-pays, all that, they are a very, very good option. So number 4, we have Better Health with the most affordable plans. Their silver plans, which is called Better Standard Silver, ranks as number 1 cheapest in the state of Florida. And similar to Aetna, you have great rewards, up to $500 for getting stuff like screening, lab work. So just overall taking care of your health, you get cash prizes. Cool thing about Better is that they offer both HMO and EPO plans. So for those who want more flexibility, you can go with an EPO. For those who want a cheaper alternative while getting better care in a way, you go with an HMO plan. And they do have a B++ rating through their Centene Corporation, which is their parent company. So you can pause and check out the pros and the cons here while we get to the last one, which is of course Oscar Health at a 4.0 rating that we gave them. They have the best member portal and app for sure. Like if you become an Oscar member, you can build your care team, so you can have your primary doctor, your specialist doctor, and they can communicate with each other, and you could just use that, make appointments, all that just from your house, from your laptop, from your phone, which is pretty cool. And they do only offer EPO plans, but again, they're very popular plans. The plan type, HMO, EPOs are the most popular, so that's not really kind of an issue. And again, they are still very kind of relatively new, so they only get a 2.75 star rating by the NCQA, and they have some of the lowest cost plans in Florida, and again, the best member experience for their members through their just technology-based system. So there you go. Again, that is the top 5 health insurance companies in the state of Florida. Kind of want to scroll down here because there's another cool area here. These are what are the cheapest health insurance companies in Florida, and I ranked them here based on the monthly cost. So you can kind of pause and check it out here. This is based without a subsidy. But if you want to know how much you're going to end up paying and which one is the best for you, you need to get a quote, and we can quote you here absolutely free. 305-970-8583. With us, you can just compare all the plans in the marketplace. We can help you make payments. We can help you find doctors, which not a lot of other agents, not a lot of other brokers are doing. So once again, 305-970-8583. You'll be in contact with me. Hopefully that helped you out a little bit in kind of deciding which one to go with. I highly suggest you check out the article. Very, very informational. So thank you all so much for watching. Take care, everybody. Have a lovely rest of your day or night. It's been Carlos. I'll see you guys later. Take care. Bye-bye.